Hey guys, today we're gonna do some crazy macro photography, and today I'm not gonna use a macro lens. I'm gonna use my AF3DX Nikkor 7300mm kit lens along with the Renox DCR250 filter and Godox TTL flash. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into Maharashtra Nature Park and it is still raining and we are going to do some macro photography. Like I mentioned, I'm going to use my 7300mm kit lens with my Renox DCR250 filter and flash. So let's search for my little animal friends. I have also made a detailed guide about the Renox DCR250 filter where I unbox it for you guys, review it and show you how to use it. You can check it out right here and also with the link down below. The macro world is amazing, guys, but previously I used to be very scared of bugs and insects and I used to think they are a nuisance and that they should all be destroyed. Yes, I did, but photography has kind of changed my perspective. Now I think that they are an important part of the ecosystem and the earth can survive without us but not without them. So once you start photographing macro subjects, you start realizing how beautiful and important they are.
Here I have some beautiful pink flowers.
First thing is to check my depth of field. In the Renox, I get a very shallow depth of field, especially at wide apertures. So I have to keep a very high f number, sometimes the highest my camera can go to. And since my f number is so high, my ISO also has to be high, sometimes higher than 1000 also. And if I don't have a flash, it has to go even higher. Once I have my settings in place, I have to focus patiently. Go close to the subject, not very close. If it's a snake or an insect, it may bite you, but maintain a considerable distance, but don't stand several feet away also. And keep focusing, keep moving your camera back and forth till you arrive at the correct focus and click. I clicked this without the flash. Now I'm gonna turn on the flash.
I may add a diffuser to my flash for getting even light.
Now I'm gonna set my flash to the manual mode. If you can't understand the manual settings of your flash, you can keep it as auto.
Using similar settings, I have clicked more images with my Renox.
So guys, I had a lot of fun today. The rain is definitely not stopping. And if you guys found this video to be informative and helpful, please give me a huge thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel, any specific tutorial that you want to request. Please leave your comments down below, guys, and share this video with your photography friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous vlog, the DCR 250 Renox guide. Please go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.